Hi everyone, today I will guide you on how to create a drop-down menu in Excel and Google Sheets. These two programs have some differences, so I will explain it separately. So first, let's start with Excel. Step number 1, you need to select the range where you want to insert the drop-down. Then go to Data and choose Data Validation, this icon. Here at the Allow section, you choose List. And we need to make sure that these boxes are ticked. At source, you just need to enter your options separated by combo. For example, here I want to create a drop-down for sleep hours, so I will enter number from 1 to 10 separated by comma. And that's it. It is quite easy, right? But if you want to use an existing data source instead of manually entering options, the process quite the same. But here you need to click this arrow and then choose the range that you have already have and click OK. That's it. Google Sheets has even simpler process compared to Excel. So step number 1, we need to select the range and then go to Insert, choose Drop Down. Here you enter list of choices and you can customize colors if needed. Because this one is an attendance tracker, so I will change a color a bit. One problem is that it's quite ugly, so I will choose advanced options and change the style. Actually, we have 3 different display styles, so you can choose the one that you like. If you already have a range and you want to insert data from that range, you can choose drop down, but from a range. Here at this icon, you can select the range that you want. And the process is the same. That's it. And this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. If you want to buy habit tracker, mood tracker, you can go to my store, notdy.com. I want to put the link in the description. Thank you for supporting me. Goodbye and see you in the next video.